In this video, I'm going to show you where is all Rift Anchor in one's human. So in case you've been wondering where all Rift Anchors are, this is how you can get them. So as you can see, this is an unactivated Rift Anchor, and on your map it will appear as kind of this thing over here, which is basically a Rift Anchor, however it's grayed out. Now once you have activated a Rift Anchor, it will look something like this. So it will be basically the same icon, but it will be green, okay? And the way to locate all Rift Anchors, you have to zoom in on your map and just simply pan around, and as you can see, there's multiple Rift Anchors at different locations over here. Let me see where there's more. There we go. As you can see, there's one as well. And then when you pan over the map and simply scroll around the map, you will see that there's a lot of Rift Anchors you can activate later in the game when you reach a certain level. Once you hover over it, you will see down in the right corner of my screen, it shows which level you need. So that's basically how you find all the Rift Anchors in one's human, and then you can activate them. So I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, make sure to subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.